Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 412 Fizz. It's a super easy question. We're given an integer n and we need to return a string array, a one-indexed string array called answer in this example. And you've probably seen Fizz before, but we basically, if I is divisible by 3 and 5, we append Fizz. If I is divisible only by 3, then it's fuzz. If 5, then buzz. Otherwise, if none of the above conditions, we just append the number as a string. So it's a super easy problem, but I thought I'd cover it anyway. So let's hop just straight into the code reader. Let's instantiate our result list. And we're going to say for I in range. Remember that in Python, everything is zero-based, is like a zero-based index. So when I start off from 1 and then n plus 1, or I should have said zero index-based. That's the correct terminology. So 1 to n plus 1, and then we're going to say if I mod 3 equals 0 and I mod 5 equals 0, res.append Fizz. Then we can say elif I mod 3, then we're going to say res.append just simply Fizz, and then just simply buzz. Otherwise, we're going to just append the number, but we can't just append the number as itself. We do need to cast it to a string first, so we can convert it to a string and then append our number. And then once we've finished our while loop, we're just going to return our res list. So let's run our code. And we have a syntax error. Let's fix that and run the code again. And we haven't a syntax error because I have been putting colons at the end of all of these lines. And we pass all test cases. So super easy problem. Obviously time complexity is going to be O of n as well as space complexity being O of n. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.